So just doing a quick unboxing of the Sicopro gravity gun, and we're going to check it out. Make this quick. First off, the gun itself. Wow. That is really nice. The material is a very high grade metal. Man, I'm shocked. This thing is just beautiful and smooth. All the adjustments are really smooth. Wow. I'm sorry, I don't normally wow on my videos. This thing is wow. Comes with the instructions, and we got one container, and I'm going to tell you, it doesn't have the normal coating that's in a lot of these, which is a good thing if you don't know. And it's got a box with a bunch of stuff. We'll get into that in just a second. A couple more components here. So just walking through it, you have a 1.3 air cap with the cover and nozzle. You have a 1.5, well, I guess like that, 1.5, 1.7, and then you have the 1.5 and 1.7 needles. You have the oil water separator and air pressure regulator. And then I guess I'll say just the wrench for adjusting everything, the brush for cleaning the case, Teflon tape, the connector, and these 3 filters. I'm super impressed with this. I'm going to put it into action and see what it really does. Everything is so smooth. Everything is really well built. I really like this thing. Oh, and if you don't know anything about spray painting with a gun like this, the book or the instructions are really easy to read and tell you all the problems that you could possibly have and how to work through it, how to use it. Really well made. So I have my own connector system for my air pump, which most of you probably will as well. I went ahead and put that on there. I also have a regulator on my system and an oil water separator. So I won't be using these two, but I'll show you everything else. So I got it set up. I don't have anything in here. I'm going to run some paint thinner through it to make sure that there's no oil or anything in here that would affect my paint. But this thing adjusts very well. Of course, you're not going to see the difference here. Seems like it's really great. I'm going to take it into the shop and do a separate video of me setting it up as far as adjusting everything and using it. All right, so I got the spray gun out here and I am doing water-based stain. The gun is set up. I have the dials where I want it. I'm shooting about 40 psi. And so far, I don't know if you can see it. So you can see this whole area hasn't been done. That area has. That one board right there. It's going on great. It's wonderful. It's doing really well. If you heard me lose some air pressure there, I turned off the pump so you could hear me on the video. Okay, so I did quite a bit more of this. Well, I don't know, 10 more boards. Still loving it. The adjustments are so easy. It's really great. This is a really well-made gun. I do a lot of cabinets. I just happened to be needing to do this project, so I figured I'd try it out with this. And I'm using the 1.3 head, probably a little small for stain, but I do have it diluted. It's great. I like it.